This is the center console armrest cover from Mabett, which I got for about $20 off Amazon. It's made out of fake leather, but it's supposed to be water and stain resistant. What I don't like about this cover is that this elastic strap on the bottom here, it kind of gets in the way with the way the lid closes. So you kind of have to give it a little bit of a bang to get it to close all the way. What I do like about this cover is that the padded top section is about an inch thick and feels extremely nice to the touch. I'd say it's a huge improvement over the bare armrest. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I'm LG from San Antonio. That's it. We're done.